Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious egg sauce. You can see that's the ingredients. We have tomatoes, pepper, onions, dry shallots, dry rosemary, curry powder, eggs and vegetable oil. Then we wash the tomatoes and pepper thoroughly. Wash it for the second time. Then we go ahead and blend the tomato and pepper. I'm using food shopper because I don't want my tomato to be smooth. I want it to be chunky. You can see that's how I want the texture of my tomato to look whenever I'm making egg sauce. We are going to cook the tomato to remove the excess water in the tomato. Then we cut our onions into tiny pieces. Like my children, they don't like seeing onions in their food, so I like cutting it to be tiny. Our tomato is dry. The water has dried up. So it's time to add vegetable oil. I'm adding 100 ml of vegetable oil. It depends on the size of tomato. And I'll add the onions. Our yam is already cooking. I've added salt into our yam. We're going to add curry powder, little amount. The spices will be little. I'll add dried rosemary, little amount as well. And also I will add dried shallots. His egg sauce is not supposed to be spicy that much, unlike jollof rice. So I stir fry them. Now our tomato is dried up and is ready, and we add water. Be careful with the water. Then we whisk the egg. The 3 eggs for the egg sauce. Whisk it thoroughly. And I add my seasoning. Just 1 cube, depending on the size of the stew. Add a little amount of salt. And I also add a little amount of dashida. Then it's the time to add our eggs. After that, I'll cover my pot and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Then after that, I'll stir my egg sauce. Consider look and taste it for salt to know if I should add more salt. Wow, delicious, so delicious, and the aroma is we are done cooking. Our egg sauce will be served with yam. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video, and also subscribe for more recipe if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell. Stay blessed and keep cooking.